Furniture Fundamental fabulous people. We now have our 2 floaty rails. Let's put a top on this thing. Speaking of top, going to go to top view. Okay, and I want those 2 rails running this way, what we call east-west. If for some reason yours are north-south right now, you can use these 2 arrows to rotate things. But we're looking at that, and you don't have to do this. Oh, actually you do. We're going to create sketch, and we want to not be on the drawing anywhere, but off it. And there's only 1 square to go blue. That's gone blue, so we're sketching on this top plane, and we're just going to grab the dimensions of, very tricky, but the top of that scallop or scoop, and that one, and push it up and drop it. And I don't need it other than to take note of the fact that it's 196. If your number is different, take note. But for me, it's 196. And I'm not sure what that constraining issue was about, so I'm just not going. I don't need to drop the dimensions, just need to see them. 156, and I'll hit escape. Okay, 196 by 156. So, whilst we are here, we are going to zoom out a bit and pan over a bit. And we're going to create a circle somewhere out here, lock onto something on the red line so it's all centered, and drag it out. This is a what they call a center diameter circle. Okay, so make sure you're on that one. And we want it to be 370. Hit enter. Fabulous. And then we are going to finish that sketch, and we're going to orbit just a smidge so we can see it, and then we're going to extrude it straight up 22 mils. Hit enter. Okay, and now I need to keep orbiting till I can see the bottom edge. Somehow, there's the bottom edge. I'll probably zoom out a bit and pan down. And zoom in. There's that bottom edge, and modify. A new button for us. Modify. Chamfer. Okay. If the type should be equal distance, and then it's asking us to select the edge or feature, and we want that bottom edge. You've got to make that black. There it is, that black circle. Click it. Okay, and then we're going to type in 10 and hit enter. Okay, we can go back, put our house back, and we have a fabulous chamfer or bevel underneath our tabletop. Okay, we need to strangely be able to see the bottom of this table, but it gets more trickier than that. Can we do it this way? Home. Can you click? No. What we need to do is, this is running east-west. We need to keep that running east-west as we flip everything over. That'll do. That'll do that. So that's still running left to right as we say. Okay, so we are going to create a sketch. It's going to be on the bottom of this circle. So click on the bottom of that circle. Hey, and it brought it around for us. So yes, the 2 floater rails are running left to right, east-west. Circle's over here. We're going to create a rectangle that needs to be a center rectangle, and then you need to find center of that circle, and it'll give you a blue circle when it's happy, and we're going to drag it up and out, and we're going to type in, provided you had the same numbers as me. Oh no, I want 196 running left to right, so that's 196 there, and I want 156 there, and hit enter. So I've now got this rectangle, and the longer length is running east-west as well. All right, so we're currently looking underneath everything, so we're now going to finish the sketch. Okay, click on the house to get stuff right again. Okay, it's time to move. So we are going to move. It's a body, that's what we're moving. So we click on it once just to select it blue. The type of move we want to do is our friend point to point. Now we have to select the first point, and for that we need to get underneath it and again be looking at it so it's sort of left to right there, left to right there, and I've got to get out of orbit mode, escape once, and I need to select that dot there. Now it's asking me for the target point, and I will bring it up, and our target point, still with this tabletop, I can go straight to top view actually, clicking on top view and zooming in, and get escape once, so I'm back, and I want that top, I'll show you so you can understand. It's the top, escape once, it's the top of that scallop, and there it is. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Apple Z. Let's just go home. Should be there to there. That should work. Alright, let's try that again. Move. Select. Boom. Okay, point to point. Yes. Well, let me get that dot from the top, probably not. Carefully looking for that point there. Just the white dot. And we will bring it, rotate it back. And I want it to go, hit escape once, I want it to go right there. Aha! Winning. So now, home sweet home. Click off to get out. Oh. Right. Can I take this forward? If you've successfully got a table on top, congratulations. If not, let's do it one more time. Finish sketch. Far out. Move. Select that object. Point to point. First point will be underneath, and it will be right there, and our target point will be right here. Escape once. There's my target point. That's looking good. Hit OK. That's what I forgot to do. Hit home, and before you know it, check this out. Front view. Awesome table. You've done it. You've done it. You've done it. Congratulations. We're now going to make it pretty in the next video.